Okay, let's go.
There we go. Nice. When we have this opportunity to earn. Great. Great. Unexpected, but so what's up, people? How are you doing? How is everything going? What about your trades? What about your trading journey? What about your trading life? What about your personal life? What about your health? Just let me know everything in the comments. And my name is Alex, by the way, and today what we're going to be doing, you may be asking or you may not. I believe you're not asking because you know that if you see me, we're going to be trading, and hopefully as in almost in every video, we're going to be having a profitable session, and this is what I'm looking for. And yeah, so we are having $166, and yeah, I'm looking forward to multiply that by several digits, and hopefully I'm having it. So yeah, just do not forget to join my Telegram VIP channel, group, call it however you want, but just keep in mind that that is private, and that one is really free. So if you're willing to just enter and just check it out, that's for absolutely free. Just all the usage of that Telegram chat is for free, so do not hesitate to join. Do not forget to leave a like on this video, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So let's just start it. Now what do we have though? I can see that price bounced off. I will show you. No. So price bounced off from the upper line of the Keltner Channel, and it just and from the zigzag as well. So the point is 1.305, and we're gonna be going for short 100 right there. You can see that there is a local overbought pressure, and I expect a possible drop through the midline of the Keltner Channel, and Supertrend is indicating for that as well. So that's one of the main reasons why I believe, and I'm going for short. Exactly, this is what it is. However, we got $92 of the profit. I mean, that's alright, I believe. Okay, going to another currency pair, 150. So the price is moving steadily in the upper zone of the channel. So I expect growth right here and the breakout of the price going above the super trend. And if you take a look at the vortex, you can say that obviously vortex supports that idea. And yeah, we're kind of bouncing off of that level. Oh, you know, we kind of do not. I mean, the buyers, they don't have enough power to just go above that. Oh, I don't know. I just lost my breath. But okay, just 3 more seconds and that's it. I'm gonna be having $138 of profit. Perfect. So we are having almost $400. I mean, right, with the Australian dollars and United States dollars, I can see that we should be going for short, because zigzag supposed to further drop, as well as the vortex is giving me a sell signal. So the price dropped below the midline of the Keltner Channel, and I will go with it. I will work with it. I don't assume that we are having noise entry point, but by the way, this is one of my weak points. I would say I gotta be working on it, because sometimes I'm you know, rushing the things, or sometimes I'm just waiting for too long and I'm just missing the perfect moment and the perfect opportunity to just enter the market, and that's understandable, I believe. Well, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, that's my weak spot. I gotta be working on it. There we go. Nice and easy. have here? Oh my god, the price is below the super trend, below the midline of the Keltner Channel. Vortex supposed further fall. So why wouldn't I go for short? Bam. Nice. Another profit, you know, right here. So right here we're going for long. No, we're going for short right here, because currently everything is below everything. So the price is below the super trend midline of the Keltner Channel, very close to the lower boundary of the Keltner Channel, and the vortex is for short as well. When we have this opportunity to earn. Nice, another profit of $230. We are having a sideways right here. Honestly, you should not be making any trades right here in this situation, but I would risk it. But I'm not recommending you to do it. So 350 pounds, not pounds but dollars, I'm sorry. And we going for short. By the way, right now the opening entry point was, I mean, it is great. I mean, I still expect drop below the midline of the Keltner Channel. I'm now having the clear signals from the indicators. Market is sideways, so I mean, as I mentioned before, I wouldn't, if I were you, I wouldn't really risk it. Great, unexpected, but it was kind of like very much risky. So I made $1,316 from $166. Quite matching, not digits and numbers, but I'm not going into that. Guys, please, first of all, leave a like, because I'm spending my time, spending my energy, and sharing my knowledge with you just to show you how to trade, how to earn money, how to make the profit right here. As well as I'm sharing even more details and even more information in my Telegram private group, which is absolutely free. So I need some motivation to continue doing that, and I would be very glad if you just join there and leave a like on this video, because that's kind of my fuel. That'd be so perfect. So in this case, once you're joining the Telegram private group, you're just not losing anything. The only thing that you have right there, just information, the details. You're just gaining, ongoing information, the details. So necessary things are there. So thank you for watching as well. Again, do not forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. The link for the Telegram group is going to be below in the description. So thank you for watching. All the kisses. Stay healthy. Goodbye.